What is going on, YouTube? My most recent video that I posted a few days ago was sponsored by a company called Auto Commerce, which you'll see the sponsorship here. They can be found on Amazon. What they are is a retainer clip kit company that really has a unique package I wanted to share with you guys. Since they sponsor my video, instead of them actually sending one directly to me, I just went to the link in the description below and purchased the kit for myself, which you'll see me kind of do an unboxing here. If you've searched for this video, then there's a high probability that you've been in an automobile accident, your car or your truck hit something in the middle of the road, or the fender or under tray protective lining has popped free. Why did this happen? Because your plastic retainer clips did not hold up during stress. I purchased this kit because I viewed it as a value due to the cost and variety of retainer clips. The 18 different size options in this kit was less than what my dealership wanted to charge me for a specific size of a bag of retainer clips that I needed. Here you'll see the packaging and all the tools that's included in this kit for $23.99 with free shipping since it's under $25. If you have an Amazon Prime account, then you'll receive it within 2 days of the order. I even received an ebook from Auto Commerce, seen here, that walks you through on how to install retainer clips for those that are lacking any experience. You might be laughing at the need for an ebook, but I've broken several in the past, and I've done this more than once. The thing I like most about this kit is the value and the quality that you're getting for under $25, and the fact that you know exactly what you're getting with this detailed spec sheet that you see here. Now to the install using the retainer clips and the tools that come with the kit. As previously mentioned, the reason why I purchased this kit personally is because I've removed this bumper so many times that in the process of doing so, I have actually broken some of the retainer clips underneath and have had to use zip ties on occasion just to keep it in place, but no more of that with this kit. The bulky camera made it really difficult for me to get the proper shots on the exact retainer clips I was replacing due to me being underneath the car not having a lift, so I sincerely apologize. Here you'll see me using the small tools to help remove the older retainer clips. Part of the reason why I wanted to get this done underneath my car is because the under tray kept flapping around when I was driving down the highway because of the wind rushing underneath my car. I'm sure you've seen it countless times with other cars and driving down the highway in the past, but it's really annoying to hear it as you're driving down the road, and just don't be that guy. If you can help get the retainer clips and replace it, just go ahead and knock it out and get it done. What you're going to want to do is to take the smaller tools and ease into the tab component to free it up from the housing within the retainer clip. Next, you'll take another tool that's provided in the kit if needed to wiggle free the remaining retainer clip and simply pull the entire retaining clip out with your hand or with a pair of pliers. Next, take the old retaining clip and match it up to the list of options given to you from Auto Commerce. If you do not have the old retaining clip, you can search online for the millimeter size or simply do the eyeball test to see what you need based on the kit you ordered from Auto Commerce's Amazon store. The package details is located directly inside the lid once you open it. Next, simply insert your new retaining clip into the void where the missing clip was and ensure it's in there securely. If it's not holding your bumper, door panel, interior piece, or under tray in place, then you'll need to look for another size in the kit. There's a high probability that this kit will have exactly what you're looking for. Wrapping up, make sure you put back all your tools inside the box it came in from Auto Commerce and close all the tabs on the kit so you're able to reuse it in the future. Alright guys, so I hope that quick video helped you guys either to learn how to install a retainer clip or to even know where to research it. Like I said, I would highly recommend this particular kit here from Auto Commerce. Like I said, you can purchase it in the link in the description off of Amazon. Can't beat it for $23.99. It's much cheaper than going directly to a dealership, and you get a wide variety. I think they said there's 18 different pieces or different sizes within this kit. So good opportunity. Comes with the tools, comes with the ebook for those of you that need help doing that kind of things. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Peace.